Paano mag-partial withdrawal? Sabi niya ni Princess, I have AAA, BPI, VUL Insurance. 7 years na po ako naguhulog. So, usually merong form. So, may form yan, partial withdrawal form. So, you just need to surrender some of your units na part nung VUL mo and then makaka-withdraw ka and then you will elect a bank account. So, most likely kung sa BPI mo yan kinuha, sa BPI yan i-deposit. Diba? So, mayroon lang process. You just have to update the bank account to make sure na updated pa rin yung details mo. Diba? Just please take note that usually, especially sa AIA, most if not all products, meron niyang withdrawal charges sa hanggang 10 years. So, sa 6 to 10 year, sa products namin sa AIA Direct, mga 10% yung withdrawal charges. Kapag first to 5th year, mas malaki pa. So, meaning, kunyari, 100,000 yung laman ng account value mo and then you wanna withdraw, let's say, 50,000, kalahati nun, ang madideposit sa account mo, 45,000 kasi ibabawas yung 5,000 na surrender charge or withdrawal charge. So yun, kasi nga parang hindi pa siya maturity. Hindi pa siya matured. So usually first 10 years may charges yan. Ika-11th year onwards, wala na nababawas dun sa withdrawals natin sa VUL. And also, when you withdraw, nag-partial withdrawal ka, nababawasan din yung life insurance mo. Usually, you would less 125% of your withdrawal. Ganun din kasi pag nag-top up ka. Pag nag-top up ka naman, you add to your insurance 125% of the amount that you top up. So, ganun yung mga withdrawals and of course top-ups dito sa AIA, sa BPI, sister company namin sila or distributor namin sila. So, we are selling the same products. Yung kaibahan lang nasa bank sila and then mga employees sila. Most likely, ganun din sa ibang company. Alright? If you have a VUL sa ibang company, may mga charges din yan when you withdraw, especially if wala pa dun sa first 10 years. Alright? So I hope I answered your question. Kung may mga questions pa kayo, just leave in the comment section.